Hey there, 44 TechZone fans. Today, we've got some thrilling news about the upcoming Pixel 8. Leaks are spilling details ahead of its official 2024 debut. Recently, we caught a glimpse of the Pixel 8 in various colors, but thanks to Mr. Illopan's new leak, we now have clearer shots in Obsidian, Porcelain Bay, and Mint. These look legit. The look of Pixel 8 and exclusive colors. Although these new pics aren't groundbreaking, they showcase the phone beautifully. The Pixel 8 is expected to echo the smaller Pixel 8, featuring softer corners. Google might reserve some colors, like the rumored Mint, exclusively for its online store. Exciting upgrades for Pixel 8a. Get ready for some exciting upgrades with the Pixel 8a. It's rumored to sport a 120Hz OLED screen and Google's latest Tensor G3 chip, promising a performance and battery boost. However, these improvements might come with a slightly higher price, following Google's trend of mid-range Pixel price hikes. Anticipating more leaks and your thoughts. As we approach Google's annual developer conference, expect more leaks about the Pixel 8. Are you excited about these rumored features? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for tuning in, 44 TechZone fans. Stay tuned for more exciting tech news, and we'll catch you in the next video.